Patron, take them away.
Okay guys, it's early morning. Entered into BlackBull. We are looking for a couple of quid this morning. We don't need a great deal. Just drop that up there. As soon as this gets to 3-4 quid, we should be all right. If you give me a second, I'll quickly show you. Just pull up this bull account, or at least it will do when computer wakes up. We're looking to farm profits. You will have seen a video on this that I did yesterday about what I'm going to be doing and how you do these sort of things. So you look at something like a Darwin X. If you're interested, I'll show you a back end of it. It's an account that can be in the background. You can buy a boot camp. I'll show you the back end of that as well if you want. But ultimately, we're just here to sort of start growing this up. So what we're looking to do now is we're going to look to grow this. So we're looking at 60 quid. So our target is 61, which is there. Oops, hold on. Just drop that back, put it in the wrong place, sorry, it's there. So target is 61. So we've got to do £2.82 per day. And at the moment we are running at 60p for each unit that we're going in. So the way I would start this is very simple. Just put in my date, balance for the day, and how much I'm willing to invest today. So that's the total investment, and our bid is starting with that. The market we're in is gold. We are taking gold now, and today we're actually long. I'm actually knackered this morning. And why? Well, I'm looking for the morning surge. So that's the premise of the trade. I'll just save that because this is all set up. And then we can see where we're up to. Well, we're not quite in there yet. Should have actually been in a little bit earlier this morning. I'm a bit late getting up. But the principle is the same. What we're looking for, we can see that it's come from the base of a moving average. RSI is pretty darn low. And it is now just following the track back up into level area, which is up here. And it's touched the bolly, so I know there's going to be running out of steam, but we can push it up into there. And if I need to, I'll be sort of paying a little bit of attention down here somewhere. So hopefully this will be over relatively soon. But if we start pushing this out, we can see there's a lot of volume coming in. Bollinger Band is starting to roll out, telling you there's pressure there as well. So all we have to do is just get it to freeze up. So if I'm looking for the bare minimum, that would be here. That's all it's got to do. It's just got to get to there. Any higher than that, outstanding. And then if we look at the hourly, there's a high probability it's going to come in on this. Again, you look, it's been out the Bollinger Band. The Bollinger Band's curling round. So to get it up onto this level, probably not out of the realms of possibility. So we'll drop it on to 15 minutes, and put it on a 5 minute even. And we'll just let it run out. Right, got a few things to do. I'll just leave this running in the background and I'll come back to you when it's done. Okay guys, job's done. Killed it off. Why have I killed it off? Because I've achieved what I needed to achieve. £3.3, it's over target. Let me just pull the sheet in and kind of explain it. So it's 303, 303, and that's it. We are now running for the day. So I've done more than I needed. I'm not greedy. We're up and running, and we're on our way to 10%. So really, that's all trading is. Get in, get out, get paid, who cares? Go about my day. So that's my first account done. I've got half an hour to spare now. I can start prepping up my next account, which starts at 8 o'clock. Don't necessarily enter at 8 o'clock, but what I do is I prepare it. And it's a set and forget. So if I'm doing a prop or I'm doing a Darwin, I can spend the next hour and a half preparing for it. And then at 9 o'clock, I can do my wage. Come 10 o'clock, probably finished. And enjoy the coffee, because we all know Scruffy likes a coffee. And that's it. So as always, guys, trade well, keep your risk managed, but above all, do what you love, and the money will follow. See you all in the next one.